In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to get better quality leads for your paint correction and ceramic coating business. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Pro Polishers Academy, where we help paint correctors like you turn your systems into consistency by moving you through the learning curves faster, utilizing formulas that work without fail. I'm Smitty, and I'll be your lead instructor. Let's get into it. If you've got a lot of vehicles coming in that are not your dream vehicles that you want to work on, or clients that are not your dream clients, they don't understand paint correction, nor do they care to understand it, and they want the cheapest price around, this video is going to show you how to get the people in that you desire to work with and the cars that you desire to work on. You follow these 5 steps and you'll be able to weed out the bad leads and pull in nothing but the good ones that are searching for you and you are searching for them. Let's get into it. Number 1, have a quality portfolio. Many of us want clients that are going to be willing to pay what we're worth or give us what we desire, bring the cars in that we dream to work on, but we don't have a portfolio to display to them that we've worked on something of their caliber or close to their caliber before. So I know a lot of guys that'll take 1 or 2 pictures of a project that they worked on for 2 or 3 weeks. That's not going to get you a sufficient or a consistent flow of clients in that are similar to the vehicles that you've already worked on that you desire to work on. You need to have a portfolio that somebody can skim through, scan through. Every time I talk to my customers, I tell them, hey, we've got hundreds of cars in our portfolio, thousands of pictures. Go online and check us out. Even if they've already decided that they want to work with us, I encourage them to go online, check out our Instagram and our Facebook, and just look at other vehicles that are just like theirs or at least have the same color so they can know what to expect. That alone also drives in them the fact that they have chosen the right place to have serviced their vehicle. So remember that. Always have a solid portfolio no matter what you're working on. And even if you're working on 1 or 2 vehicles a month, stretch those vehicles out, take photos close up, make sure you get good lighting on the before and the after. Stretch them out so that you can fill up your Instagram and your Facebook. When I was only doing 1 vehicle every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I took advantage of it, and instead of just posting 1 photo of that vehicle on Instagram, I took up 6 blocks. And so every 6 blocks was a different color. So when somebody got on my feed and was scrolling through, it was something for them to look at. It looked a little bit more in depth than what was really going on in the shop. We might have had 1 car, but I stretched it out. I took advantage of the opportunity and I leveraged that vehicle. Number 2, have great marketing. Have clear and concise marketing. Make sure what you're putting out there explains to the customer what you offer, and make sure it has great aesthetics. Make sure that what you're putting out there is showing an example of what you offer, and make sure it has good aesthetics. Make sure that you are getting quality photos. Don't have anything up there with a fingerprint smudge over the camera lens to where the photos are coming out blurry and they can't really make out what it is that you're doing. You want to have quality, clean marketing that is giving a clear and concise definition of what it is that you offer, so you're not getting these random calls. If you're trying to get out of detailing, regular traditional detailing, then you need to be putting photos out there, nothing but the paint correction, so that you can bring in those paint correction clients. Advertise what it is that you seek to provide service-wise. So that's the number 2 point. Make sure you have marketing with good aesthetics and a clear definition of what it is that you do. Let me know in the comments if your marketing has been all over the place, if you're still showing your regular detail work, thinking that that's going to bring in the paint correction work. And let me know if you got a portfolio already set up or not. That may be the reason why you're not getting those quality leads in that you're looking for. Number 3, make sure that you communicate efficiently with those leads that do come into the door. Many of us book the bad leads because our communication is bad. So we're going to pull in the people who are pushing off the same energy as we are. So your good leads who are potentially ready to book with you, when they speak with you, they don't really like what they're hearing. They don't think that you know what you're talking about. And you need to be able to explain to these people who are about to spend high 3 figures or 4 figures on paint correction and ceramic coating what they are getting for their money. So your communication needs to be A1 whenever you're dealing with these clients, because the good leads are going to leave you and go somewhere that seems more competent and as if they have more knowledge than what you are displaying to the customer or the potential customer that's standing at your door. So make sure you have good communication with your leads, because you could be weeding out the good leads and pulling in nothing but the bad just because of your communication. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for more videos just like this on paint correction and ceramic coating. You are going to get all the information that you need right here at the Pro Polishers Academy so that you can take your paint correction business to another level. Number 4, have a USP. A USP is a unique selling proposition. What is it that sets you apart from from the rest? Is it your portfolio? Is it the way that you communicate? Do you offer some type of follow-up service for free? Is it your building aesthetics? Have some type of USP that separates you from the competition so that there is no competition. So my partner and I, we have two different businesses under one roof, and we're not creating any competition with one another because it's two different brands. We service two different types of clientele. I don't do regular detail work, he does, and then he also has some other things that he offers that I don't do. So that works out. As long as you have a USP, you can be literally under the same roof with another detailer and not be running into any obstacles when dealing with customers. So especially if you are in different buildings, you can have a USP and kill the game and not necessarily step on anybody's toes. And if you want to bring in all the leads, your USP can have you booking more projects than another shop in the area. So remember that, have a USP, figure out what makes you unique from other detailers, because anybody can make a car shiny. What is it? Is it going to be your follow-up communication? Is it going to be your updates while you are providing your service? Those things, like I discussed in another video about the reviews, those things will follow you. So your USP about your updates to your customers while they're leaving those 5-star reviews and letting people know that this guy will update them, hey, this is your USP, and this may be the reason why people come to you. So figure out your USP, guys. Number 5, make sure that you have a Google business page. This is imperative, guys. People want to Google you. They want to see your reviews. You will not get quality leads, and you may not get any lead at all if you don't have that Google page, especially if you don't have any marketing. If you're doing paid advertisements, cool, you might not need a Google page. But some people, even coming through the paid advertising, they want to see more from you. They want to make sure that all of your social media platforms and all the information about you is seamless all the way through before they come and book with you. So make sure you have a Google business page. Make sure it's up to date at all times. Make sure you have recent photos, current pricing, so that you're not having run-ins with people who are saying, well, your pricing says this online, but you're telling them it's going to be another $400, say, on the phone because you haven't updated your Google page in a couple years. Make sure it stays up to date, and make sure you keep those photos uploaded and current as well. That is going to be number 5. Hey, if you're interested in learning more about pulling in better leads, I want you to check out our Guide to Gloss course. It is going to be listed in the links in the description. It is my life's work. It's everything that you need to know, from how to deal with customers to the tools that you need to the polishes that you need. It is a business in a box, essentially. So go check out the Guide to Gloss course. It has transformed a lot of guys' lives in the world of paint correction and ceramic coating. And again, that link is in the description. And if you want to take your business to a whole nother level, go check out my free training on the 5 keys to a successful paint correction and ceramic coating business. That link is going to be in the description as well. Guys, I got some jam-packed information in that training, and it's answering questions that you may have had before and giving you some game to some information that you may not know that you needed prior to watching this training, guys. And if you're looking for some one-on-one training or some in-person training for you or for your staff, I've also got the link for the description in that as well. We offer Affirm financing, so if you want to finance the training, you definitely can, and it's 0% interest, and you won't have to make a payment for 30 days from the day that you book for the training. So go check out those links below, guys. Hey, that's it for today. We'll see you next time. The paint is waiting on you. Peace. Hey, if you enjoyed that content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button for all the Pro Polisher Academy videos when they pop up. And we've created a merch line for you guys, the Modern Pro & Co lineup, and today I'm wearing the Breeders of Ingenuity shirt. And necessity breeds ingenuity. And in this industry, I've had to come up with a lot of my own inventions just to get to where I'm at today. So we also spell ingenuity with an E as opposed to an I, just as an ode to the automotive industry and the love of motors, engines, etc. So go check out the merch line, links in the description. We'll see you guys later. Peace.